To reset Pixel 8, I'll cover soft and hard at the same time. So for both the soft and hard reset, we're going to press and hold power and volume up together, and we're going to keep these two held down for 10 seconds when the screen fully goes black. So give it a couple more seconds, and if you want to do a soft reset, release from both buttons and you're done. But for hard reset, after releasing, we're going to press and hold power and volume down now, and we're going to keep these two held down until we see fast boot mode. In this menu, release from both buttons. Now click volume up until this says recovery mode and tap the power button to enter the recovery. We now need to enter a command. The command is while holding the power button, click and release volume up. Now click the volume down button until you see wipe data and click power. Then click volume down and click the power button to do the factory data reset. You will then be brought back to this screen, click reboot system, and you're done.